Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. Here is a beautiful jolly conch collected from Indian Ocean. You can see a clear Om, beautiful clear Om here, clear, beautiful clear Om here, and you can see another beautiful clear Om here, and you can see three figures here: Lord Brahma, Vishnu, Shiva. Beautiful Om, Lord Brahma, Vishnu, Shiva, jolly conch from Indian Ocean. The beautiful collection conch, extremely powerful conch. You will get a blessing of three Murti cards. You will get a blessing of three Murti cards. Wonderful, amazing collection from Indian Ocean. Extremely unique collection, only one piece in the world. See how clear the Om here, Om, and you can see another Om here. And you can see three gods here: Lord Brahma, Vishnu, Shiva. Beautiful formation, beautiful formation. And this is also the collection grade conch. Beautiful conch collected from Indian Ocean. Beautiful Om, Lord Brahma, Vishnu, Shiva, jolly conch from Indian Ocean. Beautiful. Use a full and full blessings of Lord Brahma, Vishnu and Shiva. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya.